Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on how to beat performance anxiety, the secrets of PGAD. Performance anxiety is a common issue that affects many people. Whether it's public speaking, playing an instrument, or even sexual performance, anxiety can hinder our ability to perform to the best of our abilities. Today, we're going to talk about a specific type of performance anxiety called persistent genital arousal disorder, or PGAD. PGAD is a rare condition that causes a person to experience constant or recurring genital arousal without any sexual stimulation or desire. This can be a physically and emotionally distressing experience, and it can lead to feelings of anxiety, embarrassment, and shame. The good news is that PGAD can be treated, and there are steps you can take to overcome it. Here are the secrets to beating PGAD. 1. Talk to your doctor. The first step in overcoming PGAD is to talk to your doctor. They can perform a physical exam, run tests, and rule out any underlying medical conditions. They can also recommend medications or therapies that can help. 2. Practice relaxation techniques. Anxiety and stress can make PGAD symptoms worse, so it's important to practice relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga. These techniques can help calm your mind and reduce your anxiety levels. 3. Focus on healthy habits. Eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and getting enough sleep can also help to manage PGAD symptoms. Taking care of your physical health can have a positive impact on your mental health as well. 4. Seek therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, has been shown to be effective in treating PGAD. A therapist can help you identify negative thoughts and behaviors and replace them with positive ones. They can also help you develop coping strategies for dealing with PGAD symptoms. 5. Connect with others. PGAD can be a lonely and isolating experience, but connecting with others who are going through the same thing can provide comfort and support. Joining a support group or connecting with others online can help you feel less alone and more empowered. In conclusion, PGAD is a challenging condition, but it can be overcome. By following these steps, you can regain control of your life and experience a sense of peace and well-being. Remember, you're not alone, and there is help available. Thank you for watching this video on how to beat performance anxiety, the secrets of PGAD. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.